Retia Nkuene Southiment ni bataririte uguni bwa kithomo kia CBE kagitaga kabogete CBE ni bangi bwaga kuringana na obatu bwangu gina kwau agwatimbaru ni babateria kumia mbararia bakiare kirintuka ya kithomo Nkuene ni borite kinyari to barabara ikete university gukurukira utethe bwa help kure ambeche ukendari to bangi bagunika mutogi kare na gutariria
Kiadia bare kure kiatho gia ntuku ya kithomo kia skuru ya nthaka ya Nkuene batire Elias Kinoti na ugite mutarata jwa kithomo kia CBE ni jugwa twembaru na jwikirwe ni kiria kuga ni jujo kombana na uchumi bwa nthiguru ya thaiji gukurukira utia no bundi buria rito bakuthomithua.
So we can't get to the second level economy with the old systems. We have to have a new education that fits the market today, that prepares young people for the market today. So all of us need to embrace the CBE and encourage and support our children to do that. That's the best way we can get to be a second level economy, by having a workforce that has the skills, the competencies, the understanding, the level of working that corresponds to the modern times.
Na wakiaria mwarimu munene wa skuru eje Daktari Stanley Mawira na ugite skuru ya wene kwithuranira bunkatha kwa mukira rito basinia secondary baada bakethira bagitonya kuma mwaka twitite akiuga skuru eje ketheri na rito bamwe bakurara na kirasi kingi ikethira kiri na rito bakwanaga.
Like they have ranked our school to be hybrid. Hybrid means we have day scholars at borders. At least one class day scholars, the 4 classes borders. We have the capacity to host that population.
Nandini mwarimu rorombete atongeria na gwatimbaru bakithomo kubatetheria kweru ya skuru eje bakigwatambaru kithomo kia CBE na nkuru kia kiwa ni untu bwagwa birabi kwendekana kiri kithomo kia misetho uchori na wini bobatethera bakithomithagia biu.
We are calling upon stakeholders to come into our assistance so that problem may come next year, then we can renovate the old infrastructure ready for the coming CBC grade 10 students. In the area of art and sports, because of that one, our school has not even been allocated. We may not afford the facilities that are required. They require swimming pools, they require sport facilities that are quite expensive. But as we've been given, we have 2 pathways. That is, we are taking STEM plus the social sciences.
Muthiene batire Kinoti na rombete barabonde banaewa kigina kelo bare university ni bethire bagichokia kenda kigina kio ketha ikiguna ritwa bangi.
You get yours for 4 years, you are helped. When you get a job, you give back the baton to the next generation. So pay your help fund loan so that the next generation can also be educated.
Kumage shigo mbunge kia Southiment inke ripotra tito shaweru Juma rea Kwariria ni mutuge kare.